If you've ever been like, what the heck is a 401k? I can barely run 2 miles. Then this is the video for you. What's up, everybody, and welcome to Master Money. I'm Andrew, founder of Master Money and host of the Personal Finance Podcast. And today we're going to be talking about the number one thing that you need to be doing with your money today. And no, I promise you, it has nothing to do with buying a course or putting your money in some risky investment. No, this is something that is a guaranteed rate of return. So what am I talking about here? What I'm talking about is if you work at a company and your company offers what is called a 401k or a Roth IRA, and they offer a company match, this is the number one thing that you need to put your money towards. The reason why is the 401k match or your employer match is free money. Do you like free money? Because I love free money. Free is my favorite number. And that is why this is so incredibly important to actually put your money towards your 401k. Because your employer, what they're trying to do is actually give you free money. And when you start to build wealth, when you're starting to put your money towards building wealth, the biggest things that you can do is actually take advantage of all the free money that comes your way. And why I love the 401k match so much, if your employer offers it, is that you literally get a 100% return on your money. So here's how it works. What you do is if you don't know if your employer offers a 401k match, you want to go ahead and ask your employer and your HR department if they have an employer match. If they do, it's typically 3%, 4%, 5%, somewhere in that range. And what happens is if you contribute 3%, then they will contribute 3% to your portfolio. So all of a sudden, you're contributing 6% towards retirement just by taking advantage of that employer match. This, my friends, is extremely powerful. This is such a powerful way to build wealth. Because if your employer match goes up, for example, over time, maybe your tenure allows you to get more of a 401k match, all of a sudden, this is free savings for you. And this is something that you can take advantage of for a long period of time. So if it's 3% and 3% of your salary is $100 for easy math, that means every $100 you put down, they're going to give you an additional $100. It's a 100% return. And this is why it is so important to take advantage of. We always talk about the order to put your money in, and by far, the number one place to put your money first before paying down debt, before building your emergency fund, before any of these things is actually contributing towards your 401k or employer match. This is the reason why, because you get 100% return. It's literally free money. You gotta be doing it if you're not doing it already. And once you start taking advantage of these opportunities, you can start to truly build wealth. And once you start building wealth, you can build generational wealth for you and your family. This is the amazing thing about taking advantage of opportunities. And once you start investing your money in things like this, all of a sudden you're gonna see compound interest start working for you. And when compound interest is working for you, there's nothing that can stop you because your money starts to produce money. Every dollar you put towards your employer match is going to start working for you each and every single day. This is extremely powerful. This is the power of building wealth. And that is how you start your catapult towards wealth building. Listen, guys, I hope you loved this video. If you liked this video, here are 2 other videos that you can check out. And if you really like this video, make sure you head on over and caress that like button. Maybe give the subscribe button a nice little tap. And don't forget to give the notification bell a high five as well. No more smashing these like buttons. That's what we're going to do here today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.